Hi Zesties. Okay, today I am making pumpkin soup with my leftover ham. So I'm trying to use whatever veggies I have. I need to do something with my Scotch bonnet peppers, like put some in the freezer and put the ones that I'm going to use in a mason jar because it is officially winter in Florida, and I know that the Scotch bonnets are probably not being sold anymore for a year. Until next summer. So, anyway, cutting up whatever sweet potato I have. My gosh, there's going to be so much ham and so many veggies and whatever, but you know what? This is good. I am putting my Thanksgiving leftovers to good use. No wasting here. Okay, I think I need a bigger, better knife. Okay. Cutting the fat off. I don't care if you don't like that. Go cry about it somewhere else. Okay. I'm just going to cut this whole piece off because I'm lazy. But you know what? I don't care because I have so much ham that I'm going to... Oh! Look at me. I say I never waste food, but you know what? I'm going to waste that little piece of ham right now. Okay, I'm cutting this up. I don't think you guys have to see it. You know, this is the most annoying part of all, Zesties, is cutting up the pumpkin. And I'm wasting the seeds. One day, mark my words, one day I will start saving the pumpkin seeds and making pumpkin seed milk and tofu. Okay, and let's see how much pumpkin I end up needing because I am going to like shred some of it to use as a like thickener for the soup. Can't believe I forgot. Usually I use this like powdered pumpkin soup pack thingy, like a Jamaican brand pumpkin soup pack, but I forgot to buy it at Walmart yesterday. But you know what? The woman whose recipe I follow, her name is Bodine Pot, if you want to follow her. She doesn't use any soup packet, so I don't need a soup packet either. But anyway, I'm going to shred some of it and then also leave like chunks. So some of it is going to thicken the soup and some of it is going to... yes, I'm not the best at cutting these and I don't care. Some of it will thicken the soup and some of it will be like you'll be eating the pumpkin chunks at the end. I'm gonna shred this up in a food processor. Okay, so I have processed some pumpkin. And to be honest, I'm going to just put it in the pan because I can already tell that it is going to get in my way. And now I'm going to cut up the rest of the pumpkin. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to use all of the pumpkin. I don't know how much I want to use. Well, let's just see how I'm feeling. You know what? Tomorrow is Cyber Monday, Zesties, and I am finally going to buy stuff for my channel. Like a better stand that will allow me to put the phone in the correct position. Isn't that annoying how it's like if you do a long video, it has to be horizontal, and if you do a short video, it has to be vertical and whatever. So annoying. Hey, but you know what? I'm cooking with Scotch bonnet today, and anytime I do that, I'm happy. So, I just want to get this cutting over with so I can, but be careful not to cut myself because I have done it before. Oops. Let me see, I do want some more pumpkin. Okay, you know what? You guys have seen me cutting enough. Well, now let's get going. I know that there's a lot going on, but this is what you should pay attention to if you're curious. Coconut oil. Oh wait. I forgot to cut up my Scotch bonnet. Spicy garlic. Okay, I need to cut up that Scotch bonnet before I do anything else. Okay. Gonna let that cook down a little bit. Also, this is where I'm gonna start like veering away from the recipe and doing my own thing. There was something I needed. Where is it? Okay, let's lower that heat and try to put in the onions, bell pepper, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Like I said, this is where I'm going to start doing my own thing a little bit because I'm going to be seasoning this. And I'm going to season it a little bit more than the woman whose recipe I follow does. However, as I said earlier, I typically will use like a pre-packaged pumpkin soup mix. But I did not really want to do that today. Nor did I want to use the other, I have other soup mixes I can use, but I didn't really want to use them because this is pumpkin soup, so I don't want to mix the flavors too much. So I'm just seasoning the way that I want or the way that I enjoy. Okay. Is that okay with you, my zesties? Can I season how I want? Or not? Oops, I put too much time. Oh well. Okay, I'm putting this super low. I need to cut up some carrots. Okay, put a tiny bit of water just so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. I'm not really trying to put too much water in because I'm going to put this in it. Okay, I'm putting some corn in. Ooh, just it's looking nice, smelling nice. You know what, I'm going to put my Scotch bonnet. I'm gonna put my Scotch bonnet pepper in here just to sit there and soak. Remind me, zesties, I need to store my Scotch bonnet. I won't have them again for a whole year. I forgot that this is time for the bay leaves. Okay. Just leave it for like a second till it looks like I want it to. You know what? I forgot the sugar. How could I forget such a thing? Okay, let's go in with the coconut milk. You know what makes me mad? For some reason, they sell little small packets of Asian coconut milk, but not of the Caribbean or Hispanic varieties, and they are very, very different because this is not full fat and the Asian variety is, and if you use the Asian variety, it will like ruin it. So I'm just like, why? You know, because it would be overkill to use the full can. So So it's like, you know, what do I do? What do I do with the leftover coconut milk I'm not going to use? You know, I have to put it like somewhere, which is really annoying. Okay, now I am going to start adding the veggies, the ones that I wanted to be like whole at the end. I may need to add some more water here too. Ugh. Still makes me mad. Actually, you know what? I should just use the powdered coconut milk. It makes things easier, but I feel that people won't like that and they'll hate on it. Let me see, I definitely need more water in here. And this is definitely going to be a 2-day meal thingy, so let me give it a good smell. Does it need anything? You know what, I'm gonna hit it with a little more of this, why not? Now that I put more liquid in. I'm just gonna let it cook for a little while. Here's leftover coconut milk going in the fridge. So now all I'm doing is waiting for the veggies to become soft, and then it's good. Oh well, also I need to put the ham in, but I'm kind of waiting for the right time because I don't want to overcook the ham. So I'm waiting till the veggies start getting a little soft, and then I'm going to put the ham in. I think it is time to add the ham. And you know what? Even though the ham was lovely, I am ready to stop eating ham. I don't need it anymore. I'm good off the ham. But I think that I used it in a really good way. My fried rice and pumpkin soup, right? Oh yeah, that's gonna be yummy. Okay, and at this time, oops, I'm gonna try to take out the Scotch bonnet and the bay leaves, if I can find them. This messed my boil up. Waiting just a little longer because the carrots are not quite as done as I would like. I forget, I need to put the carrots in earlier than the sweet potatoes and pumpkin. But whatever. Let's just let it chill a little bit. Okay, you know what? I think it's done. Let me plate some up then. What do you think, Zesties? Ooh. Okay, what do you guys think of my pumpkin soup? I used the rest of my leftover ham from Thanksgiving. It's kind of like hiding in there, but, well, what do you guys think?